guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and welcome to our Irish family. Today I want to share with you my favorite food from my Slimming World plan. So these are foods that I tend to gravitate towards. I have been using Slimming World as a weight loss program for the past, this is my 7th week. If you are interested in seeing how much weight I've lost the first 5 weeks, please do go to the description below and there will be a video there for you to check out. If you're also looking for some Slimming World friendly recipes, I will have a playlist for you guys and you can check out those recipes as well. But on to today's video. I want to share with you some food, most of it is snacks, not gonna lie, that I've been using to get me through my days on the Slimming World plan. So I will show you the non-snack ones first. So I have them down here on the couch. So the first one for me that I have found that I really like are these gluten-free ciabatta rolls. You can use one of these rolls, they're very small, you can see here, they're very small, but you can use one of these rolls as your healthy extra B. And I do very occasionally use these, especially if I'm making pulled pork, which I have a recipe for that below. But I also have started, if I want to trick myself that I'm eating like a baguette. So I have chicken, any filling that you want to put in these. I heat them up in the oven, and then I let it cool down for like just a minute or so, and then I bang on my toppings, and it really does fill you for a very long time. Just one of them does, which is surprising because they look so small. So usually I just put like chicken and convince myself I have a chicken roll from like the deli or something. So yeah, definitely would recommend these if you're looking to get that roll, and because you're heating them, they do get a little bit crispy and crunchy as well. If you've been watching my grocery hauls, you will know I'm a major fan of this. This is the Dalmio Stir-In. So this is the sun-dried tomato light ones. So this is a 150 gram pot of it, and for 75 grams it's 3 syns. Maybe 3.5 syns. 3.5 syns, I think. 3.5 syns for this. Now I know it is a lot for a pasta that I could just make my own, but on the days that I've run out of the bolognese or the meat sauce or the ragu sauce that I make, and I do have a link to that below if you're interested, I would just pop in half of one of these. I weigh it out, make sure it's 75 grams, and sin it 3.5 syns, and it's just a quick and easy way for me to get pasta with convenience, you know. So definitely, if you're looking for quick and easy ways to get it, I'd recommend these. My favorite thing to eat is fruit. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I am not a massive vegetable fan. I do put vegetables inside some of the dishes that I make, kind of like hide them, but generally I would eat fruit for everything. All types of fruit, apples, pears, plums, anything you can think of, I'd probably eat it. But my favorite are strawberries. One of my favorites are strawberries. And I found this humongous 1 kilo crate of strawberries today in Tesco's for €5. So I decided, let's get this. Myself and Ava are addicted to strawberries. This will last us the week. Hopefully they stay good. If not, we'll just shove them down our throats, or I might freeze them. But fruit is a great way to snack when you're in Slimming World, especially strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. They're all speed, you know, so get in as much speed as you can. So fruit is another way I love to eat, snack away, and also use it as my speed, my wanted speed for the majority of my meals as well. So everything else now is snacks based. So one of the things I don't have it too often, but I'd have it once, twice a week, are these mint chocolate creams, or like the Viscount mint chocolates. These are the Aldi version. These are 3.5 syns per little biscuit. It's a great way for me to get that chocolate and mint kick. So this is the size of them here, and they're not massive or anything. As you can see, it kind of just fits in my hand, but it is a good way for me just to get that little bit of mint. So the mint chocolate creams, 3.5 syns. Some of my favorite crisps that I have is these Sunburst whole grain popcorn. This is the sweet and salty flavor. And basically I got these from Lidl. These are 2.5 syns per packet. There is 14 grams in the packet, but it really does feel like you're getting a lot in this packet. So I really like these. I always stock up on them when I see them in Lidl. Definitely recommend for me these 2.5 syns Sunburst popcorn. Next thing out are these Boost Bites, Cadbury Boost Bites, and these are only kind of small. They're only small little bites. These are 1 syn per bite, and again, it's just something that I really like. It just provides that little bit of hit of chocolate. If I have 2 syns remaining in a day, I just pop 2 of these, and it just satisfies that chocolate craving that I have. One thing I always eat as well, mainly on the nights where I don't have enough syns to like eat something like my crisps or chocolate, I would eat one of these Molar light yogurts. So this is the vanilla with the dark chocolate sprinkles. So these are free if you're on Slimming World, so definitely be something that I would recommend. There is a variety of flavors that are free on Slimming World, so you're best off checking it out on the app to see if the ones you want are free too. And then also something that you can have that is free in Slimming World is Coke Zero. I would have one of these every 2 days maybe. I'm not a massive fan. Robert would be more a fan of these. I also can have Diet Coke as well. So we just buy a big 24 crate of these, and we sip away on it. You know, these are free, as I said, on Slimming World. The thing that I do like as well are these chocolate fingers. So they are the Cadbury's fingers, and the packet I have looks like this because for Easter we got this huge packet. There's a bumper box, as you can see. So there was 6 of those smaller packets that you've seen. There were 6 of them in it. So these Cadbury fingers, they're 1.5 syns per finger. So sometimes I just have 2 of them just to get the biscuit and the chocolate if I'm craving that sort. But chocolate fingers are always a good way to get rid of that craving, you know. Also from Cadbury's are these snack shortcakes. So in this pack there is 6 20-gram bars, 20-gram bars, and they are 5 syns each. So these are the ones that have like the 2 little shortcake biscuits in it. So 5 syns for this is, I think, pretty good. Nice with a cup of tea at night, you know, which is where all my snacking happens, is at night time, after Ava goes to bed. So 5 syns for these. I'm down to my final 2. These are my current favorites. So first off we have these, so drumstick squishies. So it's just a small little packet and it's 2.5 syns. I think in it you probably get like 6 to 8 sweets, it varies every time, but I love these guys. It just really gives me that burst of sugar that I need. They're raspberry and milk flavor gummies, is what they are. Totally worth 2.5 syns in my opinion. I would eat 3, 4, 5 packets of these in a go if I could, but generally I limit it to 1 per night. So yeah, definitely would be my go-to for my snack plate at night. And then the final thing that I am currently loving are these Hula Hoop puffed salt and vinegar flavor. Again, these are 3.5 syns per packet of these. It's 15 grams in the packet, and I really do feel like 3.5 syns are worth it for these crisps. I am a major crisp fan and I love these guys. Definitely would recommend these. The squishies and these are basically what I have every night, and then I dig around some chocolate in there as well just to make up a little snack platter for myself. that's it, guys. That is today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and maybe it provided you some inspiration. If you are on Slimming World and you have particular snacks that you like to snack on, do let me know in the comments. I am always interested in finding new things, trying new things, and learning the syns value. And even if you're not on Slimming World but you have a favorite snack, your go-to snack, let me know in the comments. And you know, it could provide inspiration for somebody else that's reading the comments. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel when you do that. I have mentioned a couple of recipes and also a weight loss video, and you can find them plus a whole range of other things in the description, so make sure that you check out that description. I have an Instagram you can follow, at Karen H Ireland is my username there. I'd love if you come and follow me over there. And also I have a blog, OurIrishFamily.com is my blog. I put out weekly blog posts, so I would love, again, if you could come and check me out. And that is it, guys. That is today's video, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye.